Hello everyone and welcome back. So today is an exciting day because I'm going to start tearing this thing down finally. I'm going to start tearing this thing out right here. First I got to get the grill off. I'm not going to take the whole front clip off. Probably just radiator support, grill. Let's get to it. Alright, so before anything, we need to get this grill and radiator support out. So let's get to it. This should get it off in a jiffy. I'm kidding, settle down. We're gonna take it out the right way.
Got him! Got him!
Well, this is gonna be cool. Load leveler, engine leveler. Stray box cutter. Sweet, it even comes assembled. Big red. Alright, now it's go time to start ripping the engine out. Whole front end's almost off. All I need anyway. Got old trusty right here. Already had one casualty right here. This bolt broke pulling it in. So 3 new bolts. It's almost as good as new. This hoist might be a little sketchy and an OSHA violation in some places, but it's never failed me to get the job done. Probably a good time to check the oil. Oh yeah, there's plenty enough on the stick. Oh, a nice little rat's nest. That's easy to take care of. Wow. High quality wire nuts. getting closer. Got the engine chained up. Just got to get the hood off right now. Then I got one transmission bolt to take out, and then we're good. Got that taken off. Got the drive shaft off. Got the exhaust off. We're ready to go. I don't think anything sounds better than this.
It's hitting on the frame.
So I found a slight issue with the engine and why it knocks so much. That's not supposed to be like that. So this is why the hoist is an OSHA violation in some places. But it still works. It got it out. This thing right here is awesome. Levels it all the way out. Barely any tension on the front chains. It's leveled. Alright guys, there it is, the big old 390. Apparently waterlogged, but we don't care about that. A little bit of struggle getting it out, but we got it. The old hoist coming in for the win again. Got a 2 wheels off the ground. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and be ready for the next one because I've got some, well, not some, but one thing coming in the mail and possibly picking up something this weekend for it. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time. If you need this exhaust, let me know. No low balls though.